Go.
Now, this is the grand opening of a new, really new, exciting technology for NATO.
Today here at NATO headquarters, we're demonstrating together with our partners from British Telecom and General Dynamics, telepresence over satellite between NATO headquarters and Kabul in Afghanistan. NATO is interested in telepresence in a couple of different aspects. Number one, the mobility components that we deployed here with General Dynamics, putting this in a shelter that goes on a container on a truck that they can move around, is very applicable to what they have to do in Afghanistan and also here in Europe.
This is the first official use of these systems. When I see Bernd and you, Christoph, I was excited. I was excited from the resolution. You really have the impression that your counterpart more than 5,000 kilometers away is sitting next to you. And what amazed me most was that there is nearly no latency. So you see the lips moving absolutely in synchronization with the voice.
We are really happy to be here to support any initiative.
BT has worked in collaboration with Cisco and General Dynamics to build a solution, an innovative solution for the first time using military X-band technology, satellite technology, linking a telepresence system in Afghanistan, Kabul, with here NATO headquarters in Sheikh in Mons.
In terms of the equipment, how it is set up, the size of it, the weight of it is exactly what we need for the future. Easy to be transported by air, easy to set up and easy to operate.
The Supreme Air Light Commander have seen it and many other generals have seen it, and they're now thinking in their mind with all these ideas, what can I do with it, because it's life size, and if I'm a commander in the field and I ask the question, can you do it? You want to see somebody's face expression, which is very important, and Telepresence provide that expression, and that's what they liked.
Of course, when you have a crystal clear picture, you see the body language of your counterpart, and all this makes it much more effective.
Are you going to speak with your families?
From my organization, I would imagine that this could very well be used for BTCs, any kind of BTCs, especially also when we are going to the theater. And when we are going to talk to other agencies, to other organizations, to our headquarters.
We are looking into telemedicine, for instance. That is one of the areas where we see a good opportunity to utilize it for command and control, for remote conferencing, and morale and welfare, maybe in the field of logistics and construction work.
We at Cisco and our partners at BT and General Dynamics think there's a tremendous opportunity to go and deploy a lot of this type of technology to support the operation, and a lot of this technology to interconnect the headquarters of all the different nations that are part of the NATO alliance. And by doing that, they can fundamentally improve the way that they interact on a daily basis.